And I got back and I'm so frustrated. I feel like I'm in shock. Hey friends, we're Kevin and Stacy, and I know you can't see Kevin right now because he is unhooking our little baby camper right now called the Rescue Wagon. But if you've been watching our videos, you know that we have been working on a family compound, and in between that we love to do adventures, and we are just now pulling in and getting back from Tybee Island, which was so much fun. Had a great time with our friends, did some biking, looked at some lighthouses, just got to spend some fun time on the beach looking for shark's teeth at Shark Tooth Island. So we had a great time, but now we're back and we're gonna continue working on our family compound. So if you watched my last video, you saw where before we left to go to Tybee, we had several things to do, one of which was to plant some plants on our back hill. And I got back and I'm so frustrated because the deer have pulled some of my juniper plants off the hill, and they don't eat them. They just pull them out. Look at all my little plants here. And then they don't get water, so I'm gonna try to save them by putting them in some water, in some cups of water, and hope that they will come back to life.
Homemade Alfredo.
Okay.
So now I'm more than welcome to come over and eat.
If I give them some drinks, they feel kind of crusty because we've been out of town, so I haven't been able to pop them right back in. I'm gonna have to get some of that deer spray. If any of you know of any kind of deer deterrent so they'll quit pulling my plants out, that'd be great. Comment below and let me know. Do you see any more? Something that we really haven't shared with anyone really for the most part is that our daughter Taylor and her husband Eric are going through some pretty big challenges over the past couple of years with infertility. And today they're getting an IUI done. Hello?
Hello, it's done.
How was it?
It's fine. I cried after they did it when they left the room because I'm so scared.
I know. Okay, here we go. What are you doing?
I'm gonna see if I can squeeze out any amount of pee into this cup to take more tests. I don't know if I have anything in me. In this family, we do everything together.
And we video it.
How do you know which one is which for the digital? The digital is usually thick.
It looks like it has a rounded thing on it. 5 seconds.
It's thick. That's why it's 30.
Where's the instructions?
That means that it's processing. It's like I know that I already did it.
I feel like I'm in shock. I'm on my way to go take Taylor to get her blood test today, although we already know that she's taken like 7 tests and she's definitely, they all said pregnant. But we've got to go confirm with the fertility place and with the blood test. So super exciting day today. And I'm just so thankful God has answered so many prayers.
Hey, how are you? I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Good. Now a good time?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, your result today definitely is positive.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations. I'll talk to you Wednesday, okay?
All right. Bye.
I'm buying my first thing for the baby, and he's getting something too, and it's gonna be because of Easter. It's a bunny. Yay! So excited. Processing. Love you to the moon and back. Right, so we have an update. We have a lot going on this week. We've had a lot of things happen and tons of accomplishments. So first and foremost, we're getting ready to boondock this weekend. It's going to be our first weekend boondocking on the property, so that's going to be fun, and the kids are coming and they all have updates. Of course, you know, the biggest news this week was Taylor and Eric are going to have a little baby, so that's super exciting. We also got our building permit and our address, so we now officially have an address. That's exciting. We are on our way right now to meet with the builder and project manager that we think we're going to be going through, so hopefully we're going to get that sealed up. We've chosen all of our stuff, like various things that we want to get change on this plan, and that's shifted too. So, you know, our original plan was barn dough. We were very much excited about doing a barn dough, but the barn dough ended up being a lot more expensive than a regular home build, and the whole reason we were doing the barn dough was because we thought it would save some money. Metal siding.
Obviously, when people don't do them a lot, it's just really, really expensive.
So we did find a plan that we really liked with one of the builders, so we're meeting with them today, and then we'll be getting our camper out there for the first time on the Bee Free Acres. So let's get at it. So Kevin is behind me, and we are bringing out the cottage for the first time to Bee Free Acres. We're kind of nervous about the corner where the private road cuts in, that it might not be quite wide enough, so wish us luck. Okay, here we go. I'm slightly nervous about this, but we're gonna do our best.
Make that wheel?
Hold on. You did it.
Yes.
It wasn't bad
It wasn't bad at all. Going through this small town we came through, all Coda was just sitting up and everybody's just pointing at him and laughing as they were driving along.
Go to you, baby.
But he's in front of my mirrors. So I'm super relieved that I was able to get up here without a whole lot of problem. And it's freakishly bright out right now and I can't even see.
We have officially set up the boondock site. Now, it took us almost all night to do so. Might be the best site ever. The dogs are all enclosed. I'm gonna give you a little tour. Here's the cottage, the escape pod, and the rescue wagon. And we got this fence all the way around. So the dogs, all 700, can't be taken out.
Oh, that dropped at one point.
What's all that white stuff on your lips? Good morning, friends. Here is our campsite this morning. We have the most epic campsite ever on Bee Free Acres. We got the campers all set up. Little fire. We've got all the dogs in here running around because we have this fence all the way around connecting all of our campers. I don't think we've had a better campsite before. This is my favorite one. And if you walk over here, you can see the mountain in the distance, birds chirping. It's beautiful this morning. This is the dream. This is what we've been wanting to do and waiting for. And last night, Kenzie and Sean got to stay in, dun dun dun, the rescue wagon.
And it was literally the best sleep I have had in months.
So here is so typical for us in the way we set up. We have all of this space in this room, but our perfect happy place is here, here, behind, here, and we're all pointed towards each other. It's the first step in the Bee Free Acres compound.
Be free.